The long-anticipated Ukrainian counteroffensive near Kharkiv may be underway. Russian Telegram channels are lighting up with reports of Ukrainian attacks near the city of Balaklia in Kharkiv Oblast. Serhiy Leschenko, an advisor to Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky's chief of staff, said he expected Kyiv to announce great news about his counteroffensive in the eastern Kharkiv region on Tuesday evening. He did not give further details. Unconfirmed reports said the attack triggered a collapse of the Russian front, which was weakened last month to redeploy forces to the south. The offensive appears to have resulted in a bloodbath for the Russian military. Ukrainian forces appear to have reclaimed Verbivka, where they posted geolocated footage showing dead Russian soldiers. The Kharkiv Oblast in northeastern Ukraine is on the far end of the front line from the southern Kherson region, which Ukraine last week announced as the focus of a push to retake territory. Tonight, there is going to be great news from President Zelensky on the counteroffensive operation in Kharkiv region, Leschenko said on Twitter. Control of Balaklia could facilitate a Ukrainian attempt to encircle or partially encircle the Russian-held city of Izium, said Kyiv-based military analyst Oleh Zhdanov. Zelensky advisor Mikhailo Podolyak hinted of things to come. In a tweet Monday, Sam Ramani noted that Zelensky reported that Ukraine took out a Russian warehouse containing S-300 missiles used to strike Kharkiv. Zelensky says that Ukraine destroyed a warehouse where Russia kept S-300 missiles to strike Kharkiv, another win for Ukraine's MLRS systems. Taras Berezovets, who claims to be a Ukrainian Special Forces soldier, posted a helpful tweet Tuesday about a Ukrainian counteroffensive near Kharkiv. So, the Ukrainian counteroffensive near Kharkiv has begun. Keep our fingers crossed. When asked Tuesday about Ukraine's attacks in the Kharkiv region, Air Force Brigadier General Pat Ryder, the Pentagon's top spokesman, said he didn't have any updates to provide. But he told reporters that Ukrainian forces in the Kherson region have continued to make some forward movement, and that we are aware that they have retaken some villages. He declined to offer further details at his briefing, deferring questions to Ukraine's military. And when asked why the Pentagon has been reluctant to call recent Ukrainian attacks a counteroffensive, Ryder said that too was up to the Ukrainians. This is a Ukrainian military operation, he said. We'll leave it to the Ukrainians to characterize or define their operations in terms of where they are in their campaign. And so again, it's not appropriate for me, as a Department of Defense spokesperson, to characterize it for them. But at least one outside observer was less shy about describing the attacks. Estonia's Cyber Command Chief Kaupo Rosin predicts that Ukraine can expel Russia out of the Dnieper River right bank in 2 months, Sam Ramani said in a tweet. Rosin predicts the liberation of Donbass and Crimea could take months or years. If this offensive turns out to be as it seems, it would mean Ukraine has opened up 2 major offensives, one in the northeast and one in the south, aimed at unseating Russian gains.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.